Happy New Year, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome. So in today's video, we're going to make a potato cheesy shakshuka. So I added potatoes and eggs and some cheese. This recipe turned out really good. It was really delicious, shakshuka with a twist. So yeah, I hope you guys watch. I hope you guys stick to the end of the video so that you learn how to make this. So first you're gonna take about 2 to 3 potatoes depending on how big they are, and then you're just gonna peel them, and then you're gonna cut them. You don't have to make them big, you just have to cut them to bite-sized pieces. So you see me doing that there. So yeah, you're just gonna cut your potatoes just like that. So once you're done cutting your potatoes, you're just going to transfer them to a bowl and you're just going to wash them. And after you're done washing them, you transfer them to a pot, and then you add some salt, some oil, and also some boiling water, and you let those cook up until they're soft. So whilst the potatoes are boiling, we're going to prepare the other ingredients. So you're just gonna dice about half an onion, and then you're just gonna dice it like that, and then you're gonna set it aside. And then after you dice it, you're also gonna dice or slice or cut, I don't know the correct term to use, your cilantro. So yeah, you're just gonna do that, and you're also gonna set it aside. So these are the rest of the ingredients that you need. You need eggs. I ended up using about 4, but it depends on, just depends how many people you're making it for. And then you also need crushed garlic. You can use fresh one if you have, well, I didn't. And then you're gonna use laughing cow cheese, and then the cilantro, and then the onions. So in a pan, you're just gonna add some oil, and then you're gonna saute your onions up until they're soft. Yeah, so once your onions are soft, you're just gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic, and you're just gonna cook it like that. Oh, that's a beautiful close-up shot. But yeah, you're just gonna cook that, and then after that you're gonna add your cooked potatoes, and then I added some curry powder, but it's optional. You can choose not to add it. If you do add it, just add a little bit. You don't want it to be too spicy, because this is breakfast and everyone is gonna eat it. So if you've got kids, you wouldn't want them not to eat it because of the spice. So you can just add a little bit or even skip it. Then you also add paprika, and you just mix that together like that. And then after that you're gonna add your cilantro into the potatoes, and you're just gonna mix. Cilantro adds more flavor, like it's so flavorful. So yeah, it's gonna add more flavor to your dish. And then after that you're just gonna create space, so that you'll be able to break your eggs and add them in there. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here. After adding your eggs, then you're just gonna season your eggs with black pepper and aromat or salt, and then you're just gonna add your cheese into the pan. You can add as much as you want. I just don't add a lot, like I said, I left some of it. Yeah, and then after that you just take a lid, and then you cover so that the cheese melts. After some minutes, it's gonna look nice, and the cheese is going to be, melted. If you want it like melted, just leave it for a while up until it's melted. But up until it melts. But yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you made it up until this far, please comment down below like a heart or something so that I know that you are watching. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.